Hi everyone, my name is Aarti. Welcome to my channel Bake in Line. In this video, we will be making self-saucing chocolate pudding. It's a very classic dessert that everyone just loves. It's very quick to put together. Now, what is a self-saucing pudding? It's a pudding in which we have flavors of both the cake and the sauce. This recipe is very simple to make and it requires no special kitchen equipment. So let's start with the recipe now. So in a bowl over a sifter, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon of salt. Sift everything and set this aside. Now I'm adding 120 grams of brown sugar. If you want, you can use white sugar also, but I think the brown sugar is something which gonna make this pudding more darker and more flavorful. So if you can try to use brown sugar here, and I'm using here dark brown sugar, not the light brown sugar. Now in another bowl, add 150 grams of room temperature milk, 4 tablespoons which is 56 grams of melted and cool butter, half teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 large whole eggs. Mix everything well using a whisk and then we will be mixing this wet ingredient into our dry. With this amount of batter, you can get 3 chocolate pudding here, and the bowl size I'm using here is 250 grams soup bowl. In each bowl, I am able to add up to 3 to 4 scoop of batter here. Now set this bowl aside till we make the sauce, the chocolate sauce which is the star of this recipe. For the chocolate sauce, I am adding 1/4 cup which is 60 grams of dark brown sugar again, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 100 ml of boiling hot water. Make sure you're using boiling hot water because that will bloom your cocoa powder and also helps in melting the brown sugar quickly. This amount of chocolate sauce is enough for the 3 bowls of chocolate pudding I'll be baking today. And in each bowl, I am able to add up to 3 to 4 tablespoons of chocolate sauce. Now I'm gonna bake this chocolate pudding at 180 degrees Celsius for around 18 to 20 minutes. And here, as you can see, the chocolate pudding is done. I let them sit at room temperature for an hour or hour and a half. Although this chocolate pudding is best served when it is warm. Now let's talk about how you can serve your chocolate pudding. So there are two ways. One, which is I am dusting with some powdered sugar, and second method is you can use a scoop of ice cream and some chocolate sauce here. I hope you like today's recipe. Do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye everyone.